Welcome. If you're looking to export the entire history of a Telegram group on your PC with the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to back up all your group conversations, including every message, photo, and file, so you never lose a memory or important detail. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in with the account connected to the group you want to export. Once you're in, find and open the group whose chat history you'd like to save. At the top of the chat window, click on the group's name. This will open the group's contact info and details. Here, you'll see everything about the group, from its members to shared media. Next, look for the three dots in the upper right corner of the group info window. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From the list of options, select Export Chat History. A new window will pop up with several export options. Here you can choose exactly what you want to include in your export: messages, photos, videos, voice messages, files, and more. For a complete backup, check all the boxes so nothing gets left behind. You can also adjust the size limit for media files, pick the format for your export, and choose where you want the exported files to be saved on your computer. Once you've selected all your preferences, click the Export button. Depending on the size of the group and the amount of content, the export process might take a few moments. When it's done, you'll find a folder on your computer with all the exported chat history, ready to browse or archive as you need. And that's it. Exporting your Telegram group history is now quick and straightforward. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might need a backup of their own group chats. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.